Hi, my name is Christelle, I'm French and I went to Barcelona in March 2024. This is Europe, this is Spain, and here is Barcelona. This video is about day 6 of this trip. Today's main highlights will be the Sagrada Familia. Good morning! So today I'm going to visit La Sagrada Familia. Part 1. Relaxing around the Basilica. Right at the exit of the metro. It's all under construction, obviously. So this morning I want to see around the Sagrada Familia, the Plaza de la Sagrada Familia and the Plaza de Gaudí. So on this side is Plaza de Gaudí. So I've just spent maybe nearly 1 hour watching them play. That was really nice, really interesting and relaxing. God, look at this view. Now I'm going to see on the other side Plaza de la Sagrada Familia. It's 11, and then try to find some food before it's my time to go eat. So that's the other side, that's the back of it, I think. Alright, so now that's Plaza de la Sagrada Familia. So that side is actually maybe more beautiful than the other one. Alright, so it's really nice. This square, Plaza de la Sagrada Familia, is not as fun as the other one. There isn't any old people playing bolas. There are a lot of street vendors selling things in the back, like right under the cathedral. Basilica? Is it a basilica actually? Oh, it's a basilica. Basilica, not a cathedral, my bad. 11:20, so I'm going to try to find some place to eat. Whichever place has toilets, to be honest. I think it's just going to be McDonald's or Burger King. I never go there, but I need something rather cheap for right now. You know what, I've never tried Five Guys. Okay, so I've got the bacon cheeseburger and fries. It's 12:36 and I have a ticket for 12:45. So I need to start queuing now. Part 2. Visiting the Basilica of the Sagrada Familia. Here is what their website says. The Sagrada Familia is a one-of-a-kind temple for its origins, foundation and purpose. Fruit of the work of genius architect Antoni Gaudí, the project was promoted by the people for the people. 5 generations now have watched the temple progress in Barcelona. Today, more than 140 years after the laying of the cornerstone, construction continues on the basilica. The project was designed in 1882 by Francisco de Paula del Villar. In 1883, Antoni Gaudí takes over the project. It has been in a permanent state of construction since then, with a succession of project designers and with a brief period of vandalization in 1936 due to the Spanish Civil War. front, that's actually sort of like the silent space where you can just pray if you want to, if you're not just coming as a tourist but as a believer too. So yeah, and you have this that you can pull, I guess, if you want to get on your knees and pray. So it's 3:10 and I'm just out of La Sagrada Familia. It was really great. The inside, for me, the inside is better than outside because of the light. All the light, it was really fantastic. So now my plan is to walk along the Avenida de Gaudi. And it's starting at the Plaza de Gaudi where I was this morning. This side in front of the entrance, Plaza de Gaudi. Okay, so there it's Avenida de Gaudi. No more old people playing bolas. So I'm going to walk from the beginning to the end of Avenida Gaudi until something called Recinto Modernista de Sant Pau. Part 3. Walking up to the Recinto Modernista de Sant Pau. Okay, so Avenida de Gaudi. I'm not even sure if there's anything to see on this avenue, but you know what, I will find out. Look at that view. Without the car, that would be nicer. We can still see it a little bit. Alright, so that was fast. It's not even 4 p.m. and I'm already there. By the way, we can still see a little bit La Sagrada Familia. So that is El Recinto Modernista de Sant Pau. The Recinto Modernista de Sant Pau is a modern hospital offering guided tours of gardens with colorful Moorish-style pavilions. It's only 4:20, no jokes. I'm going to take the metro to go closer to the hotel, but not at the hotel itself, not at Plaza de Catalunya, because there are two sort of houses that I would like to see on the way there. Part 4, going to the district of Les Ramblas. The historic residential and university district of l'Antigua Esquerra de Les Ramblas centers around the imposing University of Barcelona, built in the 19th century, and its adjacent botanical gardens. The first house I wanted to see was La Pedrera. Casa Mila, building from Gaudi's Catalan Art Nouveau period with quarry-like facade, exhibitions and concerts. I don't want to visit it. I think it's quite expensive and maybe not really interesting to visit. It's nice from outside though. A lot of fancy shops there, apparently. And there, I think that Casa Batlló. Look at that building, it's really pink. The reflection of the sun on the ground. Look. Casa Batlló, the one here. Casa Batlló. Casa Batlló, museum building designed by Antoni Gaudi with a fabulous roof that evokes an undulating dragon. However, I'm only crossing this quarter to see the Casa Mila and Casa Batlló, and I am walking back to the Plaza de Catalunya. And now I'm arriving at Plaza de Catalunya. Okay, Plaza de Catalunya. It's nearly 6 p.m. and yeah, I'm going to go. I'm not going to spend an hour looking at pigeons, so going to the hotel.
Un poquito de amoníaco.
Gonna make a quick stop by the hotel and then I'm out again for dinner. Part 5. Dinner at La Boqueria market. I'm going to La Rambla, which is just there, and to a market I saw yesterday called La Boqueria. La Boqueria is a famous public covered market with meat, fresh produce, cheese and other foods in a lively space. Some juices. I see that everywhere, so now I want to try it. The spinach and cheese seems to be a popular choice. It smells delicious. Now I need to sit somewhere. I'm going to try the dragon fruits. I don't think I've ever tried before. I didn't really think that the dragon fruits or all the fruits were really tasty. Some were more tasty than others, but the dragon fruits didn't really taste like anything to me. And there are a lot of juices, so I think I'm going to get the juice too. I want to try this one, coconut, blackberry and banana. I like the color of it. That looks fantastic and that's going to be good, I guess. It's 8 p.m. I've done a bit of shopping, I've eaten a lot and that was very nice. It's really tiring in a way because it's so noisy and crowded and everyone is pushing each other. But really, really nice. La Boqueria in Barcelona. You have to try this. I hope that you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Next on Barcelona 2024. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. I've actually made a photography book called Barcelona 2024 and I would really appreciate it if you want to have a look at it and if you want to buy it. Thank you!